Okay, the front bearing in the transmission is an angular contact. You must see the balls face up towards the gear set. This side you cannot see the balls. This side you can. Start with a friction in the clutch drum first, and then alternating steel friction. On a big boy, it uses 7 frictions and 7 steel plates. And then we'll take the setup tool split the difference to get the 0 in between the two. 3/4 of a turn to 0. And then we'll set it on the pressure plate, go from the pressure plate to the end plate. There's 0. We have about 87 thousandths. So we'll take one of the steel plates out, put one thicker steel plate in, readjust our 0. There we have about 74 thousandths. It should have around 60 thousandths in the front if it's a 3-speed, and about 70 thousandths in the rear. So that's really the clutch pad clearance.